Nice little thunderstorms coming in. You can feel it. I can feel it in the air. Wow, look, you can feel it. Storm moving in. Darker there. And it gets real light. Look at that. Look how dark it is over here. Wow. Huh. I can see a lightning. I wouldn't mind to see a lightning flash out here. Catch it on video here. That would be pretty neat. Catch a nice flash on here. Come on. Let me see a lightning come out of the sky. Mm. See where it's getting all dark and everything. Clouds are building up like crazy. And it's starting to build up even more. Thundering out here. But no rain. But no rain yet. And no lightning. It was lightning a while ago, but not anymore. Look at that. Catch a plane flying across there. Yeah, that plane's lucky to get through there. It's lucky to get through there without lightning striking.